Automated egg collection system is a type of automation equipment designed for poultry farms, which can help farms complete the automatic collection and sorting of eggs. The egg collection system includes import device, egg picker, cleaner, flip device, buffer device, packing device, and power distribution system. Eggs are sorted onto a conveyor belt, undergo surface cleaning treatment. As well as head orientation flipping to ensure consistency. The automated egg collection system can greatly improve the efficiency and quality of egg collection in poultry farms, reduce the cost and workload of manual operations, and also lower the risk of infectious diseases. It is one of the essential equipment for modern poultry farms. At the turning point, the system can achieve multi-angle turning with low power reduction motor, low vibration, low egg breaking rate, and long service life of chain. The whole device is easy to install and operate. If you want to know more about our product, please contact us on Alibaba.com.